Hello everyone, my name is Margarita and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the SEO Toolkit model. Kindly follow these steps to confirm your configuration is correctly set for the desired results. The extension is a collection of several efficient SEO tools. We will be checking the models one by one, starting with the HTML sitemap. Nowadays, Google mainly uses the XML sitemap instead of the HTML one, but it is still beneficial to have both on the website. The HTML sitemap model allows adding various pages to a sitemap as well as specifying a sitemap layout. To configure extension settings, please go to Stores, Configuration, SEO HTML sitemap. Here you may configure the meta description for Google to understand what the page is about, as well as the desired layout and sorting order. Additionally, you may separately configure the behavior for categories, products, CMS pages, and additional links. It is recommended to include CMS pages and categories, as well as exclude duplicate pages and 404 pages from the sitemap. It is not recommended to include product pages in this map according to the standard. Once done, have a look at the example of an HTML sitemap on the front end. In order to automatically generate XML sitemap, please navigate to Admin Panel, Content, SEO Toolkit, XML Google Sitemaps. Use a grid to manage work with the sitemaps. To generate, duplicate, and edit sitemaps, use a drop-down in the Action column. To create a new sitemap, click Add New Sitemap button. In the General Settings tab, you can specify the name for your sitemap, specify stores, and path to sitemap file. Set to Yes, Create Sitemap File for each entity setting to create a separate sitemap file for each included entity and add them to the sitemap index file. In the Products tab, you can configure settings for the product links. You may add reflang tags if the page has several variants in other languages. The references will be automatically added to the main link, so Google will know that there are pages with the appropriate language for site visitors from different countries. Add images and image titles to include links to product images in your sitemap and automatically add image titles. Since the XML sitemap may contain several elements, you can set a priority for each type of elements. It is recommended to set higher values for home pages, product info, and main features. The same settings could be configured for category and CMS pages. You may also create custom sitemap files for each entity to simplify your website sitemap structure. You may add custom items when a sitemap is generated. XML sitemap extension provides functionality to add custom pages generated by Amasty and other extensions to the sitemap. For now, the list of supported Amasty extensions is the following: Amasty Improved Layout Navigation Pages, Amasty Shop by Brand, Amasty Blog Pro, Amasty Landing Pages, and Amasty FAQ and Product Questions. Once done, kindly generate the XML sitemap per store and add the links to the Google Search Console account. The next model is SEO Rich Data, one of the main models responsible for displaying website data in Google and other search engines. Kindly navigate to Amasty SEO Toolkit, SEO Rich Data, Configuration, and enable Include Your Site Name in Search Results, Organization, Social Profiles, Search Box, Category Rich Data, Product Rich Data settings. After this, each of the settings must be configured to suit the specifics of the website. After completing the model settings, save the data. The results can be checked in the Rich Results tests by specifying your URL. SEO Single URL model is responsible for the structure of URLs and product breadcrumbs, which plays a significant role in SEO. First of all, before changing any settings, we recommend checking which URLs are currently in use. Navigate to Stores, Configuration, Catalog Search Engine, Optimization, and check if the Use Categories Path to Product URLs option is set to Yes. In Stores, Configuration, Amasty Extensions, SEO Single URL section, there are 4 options to get the model up and running. Kindly choose one of the following settings. Additionally, kindly set 301 Redirect to Canonical URL to Yes and generate breadcrumbs according to current URL. Please note that the extension doesn't enable full breadcrumbs if they are not available on your website. It just changes their formation logic. For this configuration to work, full breadcrumbs should be displayed by default. Meta Tag Templates model is responsible for mass assignment of meta values for products in a certain category or categories. Kindly navigate to Amasty SEO Toolkit, SEO Meta Tag Templates, Meta Tags by Category, and click Add New. Kindly create a template for meta title tag the following way. Using the same template, you can set up meta tags for other categories. Finally, let's move on to SEO General Settings in Stores Configuration SEO Toolkit. Here, kindly enable 301 redirects to home page to avoid duplicating content and make store URLs SEO friendly. Additionally, in pagination settings, please enable the following settings. Once done, kindly save the settings. By following these steps, you can easily set up the model following the general practices to fine-tune SEO Toolkit extension.